Welcome to Fairfield Garden. In this episode, I'm taking you all on a tour of the Leach Teaching Gardens at Texas A&M University. This is the view from AgriLife Services Building and Wildlife, Fishery and Ecological Science Building. The garden area is more than 7 acres and encompasses 21 specifically themed garden areas. It broke ground in June 2016 and opened in June 2018. We're now visiting in the middle of July 2019, little over a year after its grand opening. Each of the themed garden areas is of a reasonable size to where they can be easily adapted in the urban home garden setting. Does anyone know the name of this fruit tree? It's beautiful. I want one for my garden. Swings in the garden is a wonderful feature too. Don't you just love this mini vineyard? Citrus trees are a must-have in the Texas garden. They're evergreen, drought-tolerant, and produces an abundance of fruits without much care and fuss. This water pump is a kid's magnet when they come and visit, but it's for demonstration only and fed by municipal water, not an actual working water well. College Station, where this garden is at, is located in USDA Zone 8B. Vegetables can grow most months of the year here. Industrial equipment are used in these fields. I spotted flowers on the sweet potato vines. Let's come for a close-up look. The rain garden showcases the collection of rainwater from rooftop channeled to a concrete flume, with the water being carried throughout the flume into a growing medium that filters the water and then drains to the bottom for collection or redirecting into other areas. I'll end the tour with a hidden treasure. A water fence that measures 6 feet tall, 7 feet long, and only 6 inches wide. As a rainwater storage tank that's hidden from view, with beautiful vining plants growing on the front. I hope this garden tour gives you a lot of ideas for your home garden. Until next time, happy gardening.